Fox News at 10, I'm Alex Michelson.
And I'm Christine Devine. Could be a new lease on life for Erik and Lyle Menendez after the district attorney today recommended resentencing.
That paves the way for their release after decades behind bars for murdering their parents. Fox 11's Christy Fajardo live with the story. Christy.
Yeah, Alex and Christine, DA George Gascón says he plans to file with the court to consider resentencing. He says that the brothers have paid their debt to society, but admits that he got a lot of pushback, even from members of his own office, who believe the brothers are exactly where they belong. And his opponent in the upcoming election has a different question. He wonders, why now?
His timing is 12 days before the general election.
Nathan Hochman taking aim at his rival in the DA's race, questioning whether incumbent George Gascón was motivated by justice or by politics when he made a decision that could set the Menendez brothers free after almost 35 years.
They will be eligible for parole immediately.
That is, if a court approves Gascón's request to resentence Lyle and Erik to 50 years to life instead of life without parole in the 1989 murders of their parents in Beverly Hills.
But what I can comment on is the incredibly suspicious and political timing of his decision. Again, he could have made this decision, as I said, months ago. He could have made it right after the May 2023 habeas was filed. He could have made it after the February 2024 resentencing request was filed. Or he could have made it on November 6th, November 7th, November 8th.
There's nothing political about this. We have resentenced over 300 people.
Gascón was flanked by family members of the victims and the convicted. He says he took into account their ages. Erik was 19 and Lyle 21 at the time of the murders, and believes that evidence they were molested by their father could have changed the outcome of their trial.
There is no excuse for murder, and I will never imply that what we're doing here is to excuse that behavior. But I understand also how sometimes people get desperate.
More than a dozen of Jose and Kitty Menendez's family members have been fighting for their release, and their efforts have gotten renewed attention with 2 Netflix series on the case.
This decision is not just a legal matter. It is a recognition of the abuse my cousins endured.
But during their trial, prosecutors argued the brothers weren't molested. They were greedy, killing their parents to inherit a multi-million-dollar fortune. And through an attorney, Kitty Menendez's brother says Gascón should keep them behind bars.
He's hoping that it will garner him votes. And no decision in the criminal justice system should be made based on a politically driven motive.
It is up to the judge to grant resentencing and parole, but the brothers' attorney is hoping that they will be home for Christmas, possibly even for Thanksgiving. Live in West LA, I'm Christy Fajardo. Let's send it back to you.